Yo, so go on people. So you know that one we have to go for something. Well, we should attempt to go for something. This is what you see me and it. With the palm way me and job there. See me and it. We are taking the road as you can see. You see me. So we are going for something interesting in this one. Leave your thoughts and come where you think we are going for. You see me and it. Me I try to keep it a surprise, but it is not what you think me I go for. So let me hear what they say and I come and think about it. The palm way I'm going to show you what I'm going to reach.
So this is it. This is what we're attempting to get today. So this is what we call a trailer. My hope for this is that it can carry a vehicle, so we can buy like a pickup and just attach it and just can carry around some of the projects that are inoperable. You see me, my own issue is that it looks a bit small. If you look on them railing look a little bit small. So I don't sure if it have the diameter, the width that can hold an actual vehicle. So what we probably do, I make job go for the car and try to size it up. But besides from that, if it can hold a vehicle, then this is good. This is actually something that me need. I can't say I go want some work, but me prefer do this than have to use a wrecker every move when I move. So Trevor come in with the vehicle over there, you see me I did, and it just look a little bit narrow to me. I don't know if you can see it look a little narrow. Also this fence part that the vehicle supposed to roll up and looks a little bit like soft, so I'm not sure if it can go up on there. You see what I did? So let's see what's gonna happen.
You have to try to kind of line up yourself little. Line up yourself.
So here it is all lined up, and as we can see, it does not have enough space. As we can see, this wheel line up man. This wheel barely catch it man. Also we can notice that the weight height look on it, the whole fence thing is flexing, the whole ramp thing is flexing. So your whole of this would have to be rebuilt and built with more support. You see where me I do it? So yes man, the whole of this would have to be rebuilt if we take something like this. Also look on another wheel there, it's not even gonna make it on there. So the whole thing would have to be widened. You see me I did also only 2 inches on there, so that can hold a weight of a vehicle. You see what me I did? Also if you're looking on the board, them point is rotten, which me know me that for probably replace all of those man. But yes man, this really would have to replace, and also the wheel arch right there. You see what me I did? Would have to be pushed back because we need the space. So this is gonna be a lot of work for be done. You see what me I did? All of these things would have to be removed. Me don't know what them thing are for. Me don't know, but this don't look like one car trailer man. This don't look like it was built to carry vehicles. Come like it was built to carry farm equipment or something. You see what me I did? So it has potential man. It has potential man. But as I say, it's a lot of work. So I don't know if we can work with it. Also if we look underneath it, we can look underneath and see what I go on. You see it? So as we can see underneath right here, we can see say it are gonna need some reinforcement. You see what me I did? Because if you look, there's nothing underneath there. You see me I did, and there's one piece of iron right there, and that's not strong enough. Me that's if I hold the weight of one vehicle. I wanna put a weak vehicle on just that one bar. They'll call it thin. You see me? Look how it's thin right there. This one that looks pretty nice. This is a bar. You see what I did? Me actually prefer if the whole thing was built like this with those bars straight across all over the vehicle, all over the trailer. So I think this is not gonna work out for you, man. Cause if we're gonna take this here, we have to do whole heap of work. Plus we have to record from here in the country then, so the record fee is gonna be extremely high. You see me I did? So we'll probably just leave this one. If you know we can get one of these, you see what I did? Leave a link in the comment section. Make me know, bro. I really want one of these flatbed trailer. Yeah, you see what I did? But we have one more vehicle for go view right about now, so I could just jump in and just go see what I want with that other vehicle. So here's the other vehicle in question. As you can see, this is a truck. This is a pretty big truck at that. It's remember so this is a vehicle. I see it selling for 650,000, and them say run and drive. So I'm start me just give it a look, because I actually don't have a use for a truck right now. But I think the price was pretty cheap enough that I could actually come take a look at it and see what's going on for it. You see what I mean? So the exterior the vehicle looking pretty okay. It's not looking that bad, man. You see me? To me, it not look that bad. You see me? I didn't actually know enough about truck trucks and them thing there, but the interior right here looking pretty bad. I could see if it open, man. I could see if it open. Yes, man, it's open. So the interior looking a bit shabby. I'm not gonna tell you, like, the interior looking pretty shabby indeed. So what me I do, I make the owner start it, and we're gonna see what go on there. So now it's started, and we can hear that it's making a little rattling sound. You see what me I do? But if we take a closer look, you can see it's actually the muffler pan right there is actually brushing against that metal thing and just making a little rattling. So the interior of the vehicle is the biggest turn off for me, because there's no door cover over there. The dashboard looking the beat up. There's none of the clocks them on the tachometer there is working. The seats them don't look good. There's fuse and relays underneath the dashboard right there. It just doesn't look appealing to me, so we'll leave this one.